Hi, I'm Angela. I live in Austin, but I've had the privilege of getting involved with the West DFW Group in another part of Texas, in North Texas. And it's led by Tim Cook. I can tell you, I have learned so much. I'm very happy with being part of this group. As an REI group, I've learned substantially a great deal of information that has given me a lot of confidence about going forward. Specifically, I attended the Subject 2 workshop today that Tim Cook put together, and it was phenomenal. It really was. He does an excellent job with explaining in great detail what you need to do to protect yourself. He doesn't want you jumping out there and just going willy-nilly and trying to get something done with a client and not doing it correctly and not being the person that you want to be by doing it correctly. So it's great. All I can tell you is give it a chance. Tim is a great teacher, and I love the group. Everybody's very friendly. And so make sure you see West DFW REI Group on the list and join in. Just give it a try. Thanks.